It's Chriso. What I'm doing now is I'm trimming a hedge. I'm doing a little bit of gardening. What I want to show you is how I get it straight. I will go along here and I'll hold it at a position by my waist that's exactly the same all the time, because the ground I'm walking on is fairly level and straight. Because what I find is, like, I live in a subdivision where there's quite a few hedges, and you look around and people cannot cut hedges. I don't know why. There's not enough tradies about, I suppose, because it's all to do with the eye. If I could use a laser, or the laser I use for tiling, if I could use that, it'd be cool, but it doesn't show up in the daylight. So I'm staying the same height. I'm holding it at the same height all the way. What I want to do this year is not just tiling, a few other things as well, like a bit of cooking. I enjoy cooking, you know, like a lot of barbecuing, spit roasting, that sort of thing. I have quite a few recipes that I've learned over the years, and I'd like to share them with everyone. It's sort of things will change a little bit. Right, let's get into this, the side of the hedge. See that piece of timber running through there? It acts as a straight edge, and that's how I'll get my hedge straight. If I didn't have that timber running along there, I would use a string line. I'd put out a string line along the ground, and then I can go off that, but I don't need to use a string line. Here we go. Whoosh-a! Whoop, 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 whoop. I have seen people using a shitty hedge trimmer. This one wasn't expensive. It's a Ryobi, pretty cheap. Quite thick here. The neighbour one time offered to trim my hedge and I said nah, no way, because boy, the way he trims his is shit. Let's have a look. I need to just run along the bottom there slightly just to tidy it up. Okay, now that's not bad. I've got to zap up that side, but that's a couple of kinks. I've got one here, so we'll just zap that out. Where is it? Here. Another one here. And there you have your straight hedge. We'll see you soon.